Hello everyone, welcome to ChasmishBlog's channel. Now we are going to see Osborne wind up bus. Wind up series are very good. Let's see how it works with 4 slot together tracks and a motor bus. About this book. There are 4 tracks in this book. Wind up the bus and place it on the track to start the journey. You can also lift out the tracks and join them together like a jigsaw. Lay them on flat surface, wind up the bus, then put it anywhere on the track and watch it go. The red bus has stopped to pick up some passengers who are waiting at a bus stop. Follow the bus as it travels along its route, past some of the most famous places in London. Wow! And in front of the zoo, through some traffic lights, the bus drive a long route. Start the bus here. Wow! Start the bus here. You can take this as a jigsaw puzzle. See? Wow! It's also the same. Now I collected 3. Now I set the 4 jigsaw pieces all together. Let's see how it works. This book is so good. I hope you all like this video. I will see you in my next video. Thank you for watching my videos. Please subscribe to our ChasmishBlog's channel. Bye bye.